What the fuck are we on the couch for?
Tell me.
Y'all want to do NyQuil?
Fuck no. Nobody gets a trip on NyQuil, dude.
Why? All the kids are doing it. Come on. And I've tripped on this in high school before, so it's not a big a craze. Come on.
Man, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Man, I gotta go make Niagara Falls and Buffalo.
Joe, come on, dude. Got like 8 left.
Alright, dude. Whatever. I'll do it. Alright? Whatever.
Dude, there's nothing to it. All you gotta do is just take it and just relax.
Okay.
I'm gonna take 2 first. And then you're gonna take 2.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna take 2, alright? And then
This short.
take these ones. We'll do more in like 15 minutes. Watch it out. Feeling it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, like that.
I think we're tripping. You feel anything?
I don't know.
This is NyQuil, so it might make us fall asleep.
Really?
Yeah.
Getting fucking tired already. Fuck, man, I need to stay awake or something, yo.
Yo, is you feeling it?
I think.
Yo, I'm gonna try to spit fire.
You're fucking retarded, you know that?
Watch this.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit!
What the fuck?